If the Face ID is not working on your iPhone, it's super easy to get it fixed. Let me walk you through those steps. First, we'll walk through some easy fixes, and then we'll just go in and reset it if necessary. The first thing you're going to want to do is get a cloth, microfiber, or napkin and clean at the top of your iPhone, right around the top here. That is where it has the true depth camera and essentially analyzes your face. After you've cleaned it, if that doesn't fix it, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter in the passcode for your phone. After you've done that, all we're going to do is scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. The nice thing is it's super easy to set it up again. Just tap on Set Up Face ID, hit Get Started, and then just position your face in the scene of the camera and move it around in a circle just like that. And you will have set up a new Face ID. It's that easy. After you've done that, you can also do other things if it's still not working. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow, scroll up from here and tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. A lot of times bugs and glitches are fixed in the software update, so just update your phone. However, if that doesn't fix it, just tap the back arrow, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. From here, all you need to do is tap Reset All Settings. Keep in mind this will bring all your settings back to factory default, but it will fix that Face ID problem. So just enter in the passcode for your phone. Now, after you've done that, if you're still having issues with it, just tap the back arrow within the general part of your settings, tap on Shutdown, or you can always just press and hold the volume up and side button, and then slide to power off your phone. By restarting it, a lot of times that fixes Face ID. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thank you for spending a little bit of it here with me today. And I hope to catch you on the next one.